The following Zoom session is being recorded and will appear later today on my YouTube channel, Math with Mayo. Therefore, when you participate in the Zoom meeting, if you do not wish for your picture or your name to be made public, please leave the video off and use an alias name. If you have questions during the meeting but do not wish to speak, email me at bmayo@ybcc.edu and I will respond as soon as I can. All right, so today we're going to review for the Chapter 9 test, which is tomorrow. So there will be no Zoom class meeting tomorrow. I will be back this afternoon at 1:15 with an office hour, but again, tomorrow you just take your Chapter 9 test. It needs to be completed by 11:59 tomorrow, 11:59 p.m. Okay, so I've had just one question that was emailed to me, so I'm going to take a look at that. This is from section 9.5, and it's number 9. It says, solve the equation, write all proposed solutions. If a solution is extraneous, so indicate. All right, so we have the square root of the quantity 2a minus 8, and then plus 8 outside of the radical equals a. So the first thing I'm going to do is isolate the radical term. So I'm going to subtract 8 from both sides of the equation. So now I've got the square root of 2a minus 8 equals a minus 8. Next, I'm going to square both sides of the equation. On the left side, I get 2a minus 8. On the right side, I've got a minus 8 times a minus 8, which is a squared minus 8a minus 8a plus 64, which is a squared minus 16a plus 64. So foiling together the a minus 8, the quantity squared, we get a squared minus 16a plus 64, right? Okay, so this is a second degree equation. So I'm going to put everything over the right-hand side so that my leading coefficient will be positive. So I'm going to subtract 2a from both sides, and I'm going to add 8 to both sides. This gives me 0 equals a squared minus 18a plus 72. So now I'm going to factor that. I've got an a and an a. Let's see, the product is 72 and the sum is negative 18. Oh, product is 72 and the sum is 18. Let's see here. Well, they've got to both be negative. So we could have, let's see, negative 72 and negative 1, negative 36 and negative 2, negative 18 and negative 4, negative 9 and negative 8. That's 17. Let's see, is there anything? So this would be what, negative 22, and this would be negative 17. So it's got to be in there. So let's see, 5, 6. Oh, how about negative 12 and negative 6? There we go. So we get minus 12 minus 6, which means a equals 12, a equals 6. Let's take the original equation. We're going to go back onto the next page, so we've got some more room. We've got 2a plus 8, and then plus 8 equals a, and our solutions are 12 and 6. At least we're going to check those. All right, so if a is 12, we would have the following: 2 times 12 plus 8 plus 8, 12, 24 plus 8 plus 8, 12. Let's see, this is going to be what? Square root of 32 plus 8 equals 12. And, let's see here. 2a, oh, I've copied it incorrectly. That's what's going on. This is supposed to be a, a minus sign. That explains some things here. Okay. So this is going to be what? 16. That's a little bit nicer to work with. Okay. So I get 4 plus 8 equals 12. 12 equals 12. So this solution works. So it's not extraneous, meaning that it works. Okay. Let's take the x equals 6 and plug that in. 2 times 6, 6, 12 minus 8, 6, 4, 2 plus 8 equals 6, 10 equals 6. So that one is not good. So that one is extraneous. Okay, so let's take a look at WebAssign and how they've got that written, just to maybe clarify some things. So first of all, it said smaller value, larger value. So the smaller value is 6, the larger value is 12. Since the 6 didn't work, it's extraneous. Since the 12 did work, it's not extraneous. Again, an extraneous solution is one that you come up with that doesn't work. All right. Well, that is the only question that anybody emailed me. And so I am going to pause the recording, wait a little while. If nobody shows up, that'll be the end of it. I'll be back at 1:15, and tomorrow again, take your test. So I'll pause the recording.